get over here where I can show you a lesson. Now, this here is a ohms meter. Say ohms meter. This is going to help us to check this dial out. We're getting electrocuted. Turn it on to where it says OL. What does OL mean? Open line. Okay. When we touch these two together. See that? Now, we want to make sure all these beat. This ain't a don't beat, ain't no good. That's where we also want to make sure that none of this is shorted. If it's shorted, when we turn it on, it's going to throw right through it. So the fuse is down there. The fuse looks like this. That's what's wrong with the fuse. So everything's all hooked back up. The heater's back on. The fuse is back on. And the limit's back on. Say this to show you the person later on.
Yep, he's showing me how to do it.
Now you'll be able to fix it next time, won't you?
Yes.
All right.